Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 9th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. In this lesson, we're going to write a body paragraph for the map task. A good response describes the similarities and differences between the two maps. Now let's start writing. In both years, a ring road encircled the city hospital, which intersected with Hospital Road on its southern side. Hospital Road went on further south to cross City Road. In 2010, roundabouts replaced the intersections that had connected these roads. The ring road had an entrance to a car park parallel to Hospital Road. This car park, available to staff and the public in 2007, became a staff-only car park 3 years later. To make up for this change, the eastern side of the ring road was altered in 2010 to accommodate an entrance to a public car park. The bus stops that had flanked Hospital Road in 2007 gave their place to a bus station across from the staff car park in 2010. The station was accessible through both roundabouts. Now let's do the analysis. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the diagram. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.